Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how you can add morph effect in the PowerPoint presentation. So for this, you need to click on the insert and click on the new slide and click on blank slides. And now head to the insert and click on the shapes and click on the bevel rectangular shape and draw the bevel rectangle shape onto the slide. Now right click and click on the edit text and now type the desired text. Control A to select the text, go to the home and change the size to 66. You can change the font size as well. You can change the shape like this one. And now select it and you can change the color. For this you need to click on the shape format and select the color of your choice. For example, I'll select this black one. And now head to the first slide and right click and select the duplicate slide. And now select the first slide and stretch the bevel rectangle shape to the outside the PPT slide. And then head to the second slide and now click on the transitions and now click on the morph. And here you can see that a beautiful morph presentation have been added. And now click on the first slide and click on this slideshow and now check it. This is so much beautiful. So you can impress your boss with the lovely morph effects. I hope you like the video. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.